whether that's a long highway stretch or a busy surface street. A car that reduces the workload for the whole trip, not just the last 10 feet, ends up making the parking part feel like less of a final exam and more like a routine last step. So, if any of these caught your attention, don't just take a brochure's word for it. Here's a simple 3-step test to run during your test drive in the actual parking lot of the dealership before you sign anything. Step 1. Find the tightest spot on the lot. Not the easy pull-through space near the entrance, the tightest, most awkward space you can find, ideally between 2 other parked cars. Ask the salesperson to let you park in it using whatever assist features the trim includes. This is the single fastest way to feel whether the technology actually reduces your stress or just adds another screen to look at. Step 2. Turn off the assist and try it manually, then turn it back on. Doing both back-to-back gives you an honest before and after. If the difference feels dramatic in the dealership lot, it will feel even more dramatic in a crowded grocery store lot on a Saturday. Step 3. Check the screen size and camera clarity in daylight and in shade. Some camera systems wash out or get grainy in bright sun or deep shadow. Walk the car from a sunny part of the lot into a shaded area and watch how the display holds up. A great system in a showroom can look very different at 2 p.m. in a summer parking lot. Does a bigger car really park easier than a smaller one? Only with the right technology attached. Size alone still matters for tight spaces, but a large vehicle with a genuinely good camera and sensor system can absolutely outperform a small car with no assistance at all, because the driver isn't relying on guesswork or mirrors alone. Do these features cost extra? Some are standard on the trims listed above, and some, like BMW's Parking Assistant Pro or higher trims of Super Cruise-equipped Cadillacs, are part of specific packages or upper trim levels. Always confirm exactly what's included on the specific trim you're looking at, since luxury brands frequently gate the most advanced assist features behind upper trims or optional packages. Is this technology hard to learn? Not really. Every system on this list is built around cameras and screens most people already use every day on a phone or tablet. Just apply to the task of showing you what's around your car. A short session with a salesperson or a family member in the passenger seat is usually enough to get comfortable. So here's the real takeaway. If parking anxiety, blind spots, or tight spaces have made you or someone you love hesitant behind the wheel, the